Morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are watching the video. It's your girl again. Call me, it's Linza from Kenya, East part of Africa. I hereby welcome everyone to this amazing channel. We wanna talk one from Kenya. As we all knows, my channel is all about the viewing different places and showing the beautiful and amazing the places is. So today I want you and me to go direct to the New York City. That place is really amazing. I want to show some of the beautiful and nature. We can just walk together and view and see the views. There are different places that we are gonna see. There are some places, in fact, the place looks good. Cities, maybe inside the town, outside the town, and all those things. We're gonna see and enjoy. Let's go. Let's start with
This is New York City. This is New York City. Look at this place, how beautiful, amazing the place is. Look at these trees, look like a flower. Is a tree in a flower type, you see? It is amazing place. This is what we call New York City. New York City in USA. Yep. Look at this street. Look at this amazing and beautiful tree. Yep. Yep. Let's go this way. Look at this house. How clean, beautiful, big it is. You see, the biggest and the tall. Oh my goodness. Some places are green like this one. You see, some places are not. The trees, some of the trees shed their leaves. So I think most of the trees here in New York or in US, they do shade their leaves. Now, maybe in some weeks coming, or maybe a month, the leaves will be blooming again. This is what we call a scooter. A scooter. You just have to scan it, pay, then you go wherever you wanna go. Unlike in Kenya, we use the motorcycle, and here in New York, this is what they use as a transportation. If you wanna go somewhere, you just have to go to that place, maybe scan and take it, and it will take you to wherever you wanna go. You will pay according to the distance you've gone, because the scooters are for the government, not personal. Look at these trees I'm showing you here. This one is different. It has already started bringing up the leaves, and it's becoming green now. Unlike this one, is tall. These trees are planted in line. They are tall, but from far you can see the greenish, but not yet complete. Look at it carefully. It looks good, by the way. It looks very nice. You see like this tree, how big it is, and then the tallness of the tree is. But the problem is it doesn't know how the leaves. But with time, everything here is becoming green. Look at this place here, how the houses are, the clean place, ramp. What is that? That is a lizard, I mean. Okay. I call it a forest because as you can see guys, trees is all over, and trees are good, but look at this place. It's very wonderful, man. Like I like how these trees were planted. I don't know if they planted or not. Look at the house, this building. I like how they build their buildings. Very tall, very big, huge. Maybe can say that. As I was saying, look at this tree here. It's very wonderful and very green compared to the other. So I was saying some of the trees are still green and some they shed their leaves. Not every tree do shed leaves, by the way, and you know it. beautiful. Hope you're enjoying the views, guys. We call it New York City. New York City. Look at the place, my friend. Very cute, looking very clean and very beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at this tree. It doesn't have any leaves. Imagine, compared to this one. A lot of leaves even make shade. Look at this place. This road, this is in the town, I mean, and as you can see, it's a lot of traffic here. The traffic is low. You see, there is a traffic, but we have to go. We have to manage.
inside the town. As you can see, this how it's look like. Wow. You see the place. Look at how this is viewing from far, from the other end. You can see how beautiful it is. Now, guys, it's enough being in New York. Let's come back to Kenya and see some funny things maybe. So I just went to to Tanzania, and while coming back, I saw this amazing person who was just entertaining some people in the border. People are so many, but if you see how he was doing, it was really amazing. So, guys, let's see together. This man is I don't know what to call him, just a tall man. You can going to see him how he was behaving on the road. Just we were just wondering how is that happening to a human being, but here it goes.
Look at that tall man. This is really obviously he's taking time. We are not getting kind of thing. But guess where I am? Thanks to him. Even is crazy. But there are so many people.
Sirare border,
Look how
the tall man.
he's
But it's just a
bouncing.
funny video.
The look at this man. What I'm asking myself, can she fall from I don't know what do you call these things. He can't fall from that place maybe. And how do he manage to walk on this thing? This one is crazy. That is but the man who was recording him and wanted man. Now he's running. Look. Oh, goodness.